Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel, the Legit PD Test. The very first thing I want to say is if you are new viewer to my channel and have not subscribed, so do hit the subscribe button. So when I'm gonna post any video related to tech reviews, so guys can easily get, and also ring the bell for notification of my new videos. And for the updates of my channel and my videos, I have given the link of my social media account, my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The link I have given in the description so you guys can check out. So in this video, I'm going to give you a review. So over here is the box, and inside the box is a tripod. So I'm going to give you a review on a tripod. I know most of the guys know about the tripod, but there are some people who did not know about the tripod. So why should not do a review on a tripod? So over here is the tripod, and I'm going to unbox it. Yeah, so let's unbox it. Yeah. So over here is my unboxing knife. As always, I do unboxing with this knife. So now I'm going to cut the box easily and neatly. Check this out. Now the box is open. Now I'm going to close the knife. So now over here is the mount, which I'm gonna plug on the tripod so I can easily make videos in stable position. I'm going to put it on the side, and now over here is the tripod. Wow, check this out. Now I'm going to open this tripod. So now over here is my tripod 310 made in China. Now over here is the features written of the tripod, and over here is the tripod. Now I'm going to open this tripod, and this is quite good. And now it is open. Nothing inside, so no need of it. Now over here is a tripod. So as you can see over here, and this tripod is with the back. So let's open the back, and seem to be in a good quality. I'm going to open this, and over here it is back. I'm going to put on the side. Over here is a tripod. So check this out. Wow, a tripod, and this is cool. Now I'm going to set this tripod. Over here is the main. Wow. Now I'm going to open this and plug. Oh, check this out. This tripod is huge, big in size. And now I'm going to plug it so it will be in the stable position. And now this one is good to make a good stable video. Wow. And also plug it. And now this tripod is open. As you can see, the tripod. So what you can do with this, you can easily, where the position you want to take, you can take over there. So over here is the handle, so you can easily stable the position where you want to shoot the video. So this one is a quite good, and from there you can type the quantity so it can be in a stable position, so it would not fall down. Check this out. This tripod is a good one, good quality one, and this tripod is also the height one, the heighted one. So this is cool, good one tripod. So over here is the tripod. So what you can do, you can easily take it anywhere where you want, and then you can easily do it like this. Take it back position, and over here it is. Now I'm going to, now it is closed. This also, and this one. Check this out. Now it is. Now it is closed. Wow. Oh, you can easily carry with you anywhere at any time. So over here is the tripod. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video. So if you enjoy the video, so you should subscribe my channel. So see you guys in the next one. So once again, if you enjoy the video, thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you guys in the next one. Till then,
fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight. Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay, today. Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay, today. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight. Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay, today. Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay, today. Had no need to fight tonight, tonight.